Joe Kim. It's Robin. Or if you like the Don Rob of the Pickle Mafia. So sometimes we have little sorry. You got little dust bunnies. Hey, can rap. Little dust bunny. How you? I'm good. How you? Yeah. Friend came by today, visited. Brought me some treats, some gummy fishes, and some candies. And of course, new arrival today. Yeah, finally got one of the Xbox Stern Hands. And birds. Got another one coming. Yay. Beautiful looking casting. There. Looks like the bandit. That's what it says in the back, too. For this thing to focus in on. It doesn't have that little focus thing. But yeah. But that's what it says, bandit. The hood opens up on it. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah.